Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're talking about another emergency update for Windows 11 25H2, this time on the main release of Windows 11. So if you have the normal installation of Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2, you will receive this emergency update, which fixes a critical issue inside Windows 11. And of course, in this video, we're going to talk about what you need to expect related to this new emergency update. So the build that Microsoft has released is the build 26200.8039 for version 25H2, as I've said, or KB5085516. So of course, if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, if you want to receive this update, you're going to have to go to Windows Update. Make sure you get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then click on Check for Update. As far as I know, this is not an optional update or an update that you need to install manually, because on my main computer, I haven't even checked for updates manually and I've received that update. So everyone should be getting it. Now, of course, this is a cumulative update, so it means that it includes updates from previous security and non-security releases, along with this additional fix that we have in this one, and that is the fact that after you install the Windows Update released on or after March 10th, 2026, some users might experience an issue signing into apps with a Microsoft account. Even when the device has a working internet connection, a no internet error appears during sign-in and prevents access to Microsoft services such as Microsoft Teams 3 and OneDrive. I think I encountered this on one of my machines, so this is a pretty much big issue because it can deny access to certain Microsoft apps that require this sign-in. So of course, if you want to have this fixed, make sure you install this latest emergency update for Windows 11. Also, Microsoft is specifying that only sign-ins using Microsoft accounts are affected, so businesses that are using Microsoft Entra ID for app authentication will not experience this issue. And of course, this update will be provided for everyone who is up to date but hasn't installed this update so far, or it is also available in the Microsoft Update Catalog. Make sure to go to this website if you want to check that out. And of course, here paste in the build code number, then click on search, and you're going to find these updates that Microsoft has released. Of course, make sure you get the versions for you, which is the x64 version, and with the build 26200 for 25H2 and 26100.24H2. You also have the ARM64 versions if you want to install them, if you have, of course, a supported ARM64 PC. So this is pretty much it to this latest emergency update for Windows 11 25H2. For more information, make sure to check out the article below or the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.